Hi, I'm going to teach you how to use 24/7 Catcher and stay connected 24 hours. So what you need to do first, take out your 24/7. If you're using account 1, you need to plug in your 24/7 cable onto the account 1 device. Right now I'm using account 1. So here's a Type-C port here. I'm going to connect to the Type-C port of the account 1 device. Secondly, you need to make sure your 24/7 Catcher's cable is facing up. Thirdly, you need to take out your 24/7 holder. This is a sticky holder. What you need to do, you need to remove the paper on top of the sticky holder. Lastly, but mostly important, is you need to place your holder in the middle of right at the center of your Go Plus icon. You need to place it very carefully in the center of the Go Plus icon. Otherwise, when it auto taps, it might attach to the gym or other places, which won't let you stay connected. Okay, so now I'm going to place the cable on top of here. So if you're disconnected like me right now, your 24/7 Catcher will tap every 15 seconds. So as you see, it just tapped. So because right now it was disconnected, right now it's connected again. So you can see it's catching Pokemon for you right now. What I'm trying to say is, if your device is somehow become disconnected, this system will keep tapping until you are connected. This will allow you to stay connected. That's it. Thank you very much.